These AI videos keep popping up on my feed. And the crazy thing is that they just take a couple of minutes to make and they still rack up millions of views. In this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step so you can recreate these viral videos using Canva. Now, I'm not saying that following the steps will guarantee you a viral video, but I believe there is definitely an opportunity in here. I'm gonna show you a couple of trends that are going viral right now so you get inspired and maybe even jump on a wave or create your own trend. Look at this video, for example. It has over 77 million views. It has more than 4 million likes and over 20,000 comments. I think these are real viral numbers. This trend is getting mad views and people actually love this kind of content. Just take a look at the comments. And something else that you can find in the comments are video ideas. Like for example, this one. 2018 real or cake and 2025 real or AI. These are two different trends. This real or cake is actually a trend that it was very viral in 2018 and they are comparing this trend to real or AI. And actually, when I saw these kind of videos, when I saw this trend, it reminded me of that trend. So let me show you what we are talking about in here. So here we have the results from the search real or cake. I just want to show you what this trend is about. Basically, you will see an object on the video, on the screen, and you will need to guess, is this a real object or is it a cake? So people in the comments are basically comparing this trend of the cakes with this one that we see nowadays. Is it real or is it AI? And I do believe these AI viral videos that we are seeing on the screen right now, these glass fruits being sliced, are a new version of this trend, the real and cake. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now look what I found in here. Can you see this video right here? This one has almost 2 million views and it is just an ice cube being slid. The interesting thing is that I then saw this video. It has over 8 million views. And if we take a look at the video, it is the same concept. Is an ice cube, but is a Minecraft ice cube. So I'm just showing you this because it is interesting to pay attention to the trends that are going on right now at the moment, the things that are getting viral, and maybe adding our touch to them to make them unique, to make them relatable to our niche. Here's another example. This is the same concept of us sliding an object, but in this case, we are defying physics. And guess what? Let me show you something here. This video got over 28 million views. And let me know, because by the time you are watching this video, this tutorial here on YouTube, this TikTok may have over 28 million views. They are actually close to getting to the 29 millions. Now, let me show you another trend or another ASMR sub-niche, which is this one. These are not slicing, they are just keyboards tapping. And because we have now access to AI, we can go very creative with our creations. So let me show you, for example, here, this video has over 14 million views, this one over 10 million, and this one over 9 million. Let me just go over this one. What I find interesting about this video is that they are creating videos taking the ideas from their audience, and this is the most viewed video in this TikTok account. And talking about crazy, surreal, viral AI ASMR videos, take a look at this trend. This is actually the latest AI viral trend that I've seen, and it is basically just people eating lava. Take a look at this one. Over 12 million views, and the video looks like this. these trends are getting crazier and crazier, but I believe there is a gap for everyone to come up with a unique idea. Now, I'm gonna stop in here with the viral AI video ideas. I still have a lot more to share, but if I continue, this video can be super long, and I do want to show you how to recreate these viral video ideas. But if you want to see more of these ideas, please let me know in the comments so I can create another video for you. And also, if you like this kind of videos, please leave me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments, because this is the only way for me to understand, to know that you enjoy watching these videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Now that we have seen all of these trends, all of these ideas, it's time to create our own videos. But I do suggest that you add your own spin to it. I'm taking this video as an example. I'm going to grab a screenshot of one of these sections, one of these frames, and I'm going to then upload it to ChatGPT. So let me just take a screenshot in here of the person eating the lava. And now I'm going to chat GPT. I'm gonna add the screenshot I just took from one of the frames of the video in here, and I'm going to upload it. And I'm gonna use this prompt right here. I'm gonna explain ChatGPT what is it that I need the prompt for. So I want to use VO3 to create an ASMR video. So this is the context and then a simple prompt. Can you help me write a descriptive prompt? I'm attaching an image that you can use as reference for what I want to create. The video showing someone eating lava, mukbang style. And for those of you who don't know what mukbang is, it is this viral trend. This was very viral, or at least I saw it during the pandemic. And it's basically people eating huge amounts of food. And in this case, we are trying to recreate this kind of trend, but with something that cannot be done in real life. In this case, eating lava, which is another trend that is going viral nowadays on the internet. So here I have the prompt, I have uploaded the screenshot, and I'm just going to submit this to ChatGPT. Once you get your prompt, I do suggest that you double check it, you read it carefully word by word, just to make sure that the whole description that it is written in here, it is perfect. If you need to adjust, please do it at this stage. And also in here, I want you to add your own spin to this prompt. Instead of just recreating exactly the same thing that somebody else already created, add something unique. Remember that the videos that we saw, they were taking the trend as a base, and then they were adding their own touch to it. I'm taking this prompt as it is, just for the sake of this tutorial, but remember to pay attention to it. I think I'm just going to change a couple of words, but just to make the description a little bit more precise, and I'm going to take it to Canva. Once in the Canva homepage, we are going to Canva AI. So click on this button, and then from here, make sure to select create a video clip. This is a premium feature, so if you have a Canva free account, we have a Canva Pro free trial for 30 days in the description of this video. Okay, I'm gonna click in here. Now I'm pasting my description, my prompt. I'm going to double check it, read it carefully just one more time to see if I can adjust a couple of words here and there, and then I'm going to submit this prompt. I have my video ready. Let's take a look. I'm going to play it in here. This VO3 in Canva is incredible. It's crazy to see how powerful it is, to be honest. I believe my video is perfect. I don't need to change anything, but if you need to change anything on your video, you can use the chat in here and ask the chat what kind of changes you need to make on your video. Just have into consideration that you will have only 5 credits to create these videos. So 1 credit is 1 video, and if you ask for a revision in this chat, another credit will be used. Now from here, if you want to download this video directly from the chat, you can use this button to save it on your computer files. Or if you want to edit this video directly in Canva, you can click on use Canva editor. This will take you directly to the Canva editor, and we will be editing this video in a landscape mode format. But if you are are gonna use this video on platforms that uses vertical mode, you can use the resize feature. You can click here. I believe that if you are using the Canva AI feature to create videos, you must have a paid account. So you'll be able to use the resize feature, which is also a premium one. Now, from here, you're gonna go to videos and then mobile video. You can either copy and resize or resize in this design. I'm going for the second option. And now I have this video into a vertical mode. You can change the color of the background. I have seen that people usually use a white background or sometimes they use a black one. And then I have also seen that they use bold fonts like Spartan, something like that. And then they will add some text in here. So let's say ASMR or ASMR mukbang. You can even also add in here, why not, your handle, and then your video will start looking something like this. Now let me go back to the video that I'm trying to recreate just to show you something important in here. If you are trying to recreate a viral video, I want you to pay attention to the different scenes included in the same video. One of these videos is not just one AI video. There are different videos in here. So now pay attention to the different scenes. Here we see one. We see the person scooping the lava, and then there is a subtle transition. We are here moving to the second scene. This is where we see the person actually eating the lava. So here we have two different scenes. This is the third one, you see? So there is the person eating, and then directly again we see the person taking a spoon of lava. This is another scene. We have 4 at the moment, 5, and this is the last one. So we have 5 AI videos into this one TikTok. So if you want to recreate one of these videos, you will need to check if they have more than one scene, which they mostly do. You will need to recreate each of these scene and then just put them all together into just one edit so you can have something like this. Now, if you want to learn more about VO3 in Canva, here's a new course you must check out. I'm gonna leave the QR code in here and the link in the description. And also, the VO3 in Canva is a premium feature. So I'm gonna leave as well a link in here on the screen and the link in the description if you want to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. I think that's it for this tutorial and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!